But the idea is that we can get quick insights and understand that for our particular industry. And a lot of times, it's that visualization that becomes important for the data itself. And I just wanted to talk about that quickly here. So we've got different types of plotting that we can do in the world and realm of Python. Notice that we're doing this right in the notebooks with the data that we have. So again, this is something that we want to think about. How does it work in unstructured data like network signals? Yeah, so there's actually some particular models that are available for that area. If you go out to Kaggle, there's been some really cool, again, from the data science perspective, from the research perspective, some really cool models that have been developed in that area. I actually had a conversation recently in a class where we were talking about network signaling specifically, and we were looking at some of the Kaggle models. So again, we can draw those in, we can start to discuss them in the programs that we're delivering.